Are you ever at home wondering, is there anything else I can drink besides water? Well, today we're going to fix that problem. We're going to learn how to make healthy lemonade that is very delicious. The ingredients you'll need is lemon juice, water, and Truvia. This part is optional, but if you want your lemonade to be cooler, you can add ice. Well, I'm going to add ice, so take your cup, pour the ice. It's time for the lemon, the most important part of the whole lemon juice. And you're only going to need a little bit. You're not going to need a lot. So when it's filled up to about there, because I put a lot of ice in, so fill it up a little more. When it's like that, if you're not adding ice, it'll probably only be to about there. But when you add ice, it should be to about there, how I put it. Now, we're going to pour the water into the cup. Put it all the way to the very top of the water, because we don't want it to be too heavy. Okay, probably about good right there. Now it's time to make the lemonade sweet. Truvia is not have actual sugar in it. It's actually pretty natural. So we're gonna have about 6 packs in the lemonade. Now that we have all the ingredients in, we're gonna shake it. Shake it up so we mix the lemon, the water, and the Truvia all mixed together to make your lemonade. Make sure to like and share, and if you want to subscribe, all these instructions right here. Now, take a sip. That's some good lemonade. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.